Hey, what is up, guys? It's your boy Milk, and welcome back to a brand new Roblox Bedwars video. And yeah, we just did a live stream, and it didn't really go too well. There were some bullies in the chat. Hey kids, don't bully, or else he will be in your bed tonight. Oh yeah, also I can't stream Roblox, so that's no fun. So I just decided to do a video on screencast the thing that is hogging my face cam. I don't know what I have to say about this, other than in today's video we're going to be trolling in Roblox Bedwars using the Grim Elder Tree Kit. Yeah, I'll buy the Grim Reaper like tomorrow or something, I don't know. I was thinking about buying like an avatar accessory, but then why? Like I'm getting my premium payout tomorrow, so epic. So yeah, we're going to do some trolling, which means like trolling our own team and like it's basically us against our team. I don't care if I like die or anything because I don't really need to. Jeez, in this span of like a day and a half, I got like 10 wins. Gosh. Yeah, me and my friends were trying to get a 10-win streak, and that also didn't really go too well. Alright, so what team are we on? Oh, how is there no pink? There needs to be a pink in squads for flamingos. Guys, can you guess what this character is called? I'll see it. I'll try to remember to say what it's called like after this match or at the end of the video or something. But if you can actually like say what it's called in the comments, then I might give you some free bucks. Just make sure you're in my group. All right, so I'm gonna say that I'm new. I'm new here, guys. So yeah, I'm just telling these guys that I'm gonna pretend to like mine stuff. So we need to get some material for death here. I'm totally not Elder Tree right now. Totally. Whoa, resources. Better get mining. Like that popular game Minecraft. I'm gonna mine this stuff just like Minecraft. Like people know like when trollers are like in their game and stuff, but like I'm just gonna pretend that like I'm actually not a troller. I wish I could break my own bed. That would be so much fun. Whoa, cool. I got wool. Time to make a bed. I'm just gonna act like I'm Minecraft pro here, but like a noob at like Bedwars or whatever. Where? Yeah, the entire point of Minecraft is crafting. I think it's like in the name. Lol. What does LOL stand for? Yeah, I'm just gonna act like I've never played like Roblox or like never like heard of any like memes or whatever. Yeah, let's just go grab ourselves like wait. Can't buy resources. We need to buy materials or stuff. Wait, we don't even need to buy blocks. We can just mine our own bed defense. What the heck? I mean, we are trolling here after all. So like we're just gonna act like we're new here. I want people to get really, really annoyed with me, but it seems like people are just fine and like thinking I'm a troller. Alright, nice. We get free blocks by mining our bed defense, which is kind of cool. So what we need to do is we need to bridge to middle, and we need to get emeralds. And like, I'm just gonna throw them off the map. I'm going to say, ew, I hate green, or something like that. Because emeralds are green. Like that would be kind of funny. I'm going to try that. Oh yeah, I forgot you have to hold a button on computer to sprint. Okay, let's go right there and emeralds. I'd buy balloons. Wait, green. Where's green? Oh. Oh, so it looks like you're trying to like patch up like the stuff, but like. Wait, this is gonna be so funny. It was like, hey guys, what do these do? What do these do? I'm just gonna act like I'm a noob. And they probably suck. Throws them off the map. Oh no, let me QQ. Yep, no more. We got no more emeralds. Take that, noobs. And they probably suck. Ooh, stone. I can get. I'm trying to make sure I don't have a stone sword. Okay, good. Ooh, stone. I can get a better sword. These guys are probably just so annoyed at me right now. I'm just gonna mine this. Let me mine that. Oh, is our bed gone? Yes, our bed is gone. Let's go. Why? I'm just gonna act like I suck at this game. Yeah, and the best part is you can't like troll me, okay? So I just technically just made these guys lose. Plus I just wasted emeralds. Oh, I didn't even use the TNT. So what my plan is I'm going to grab some blocks. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to like TNT like the bridge. Like that they go on. Oh no, I need a fireball for that. Dang it, I wish Pirate Davey was free so I could like use cannon or whatever. Pro gamer. Yeah, this guy's such a pro gamer. Let's go kill this noob quickly. I got him. Now I just want to see if these guys even have a chance, which I know they don't, because I'm going to troll them. Come on, give me iron. How you get that? I'm just going to act like I don't know how to get iron armor. Wow, this guy is so helpful. He didn't even tell me. Rip. Alright, nice. We can finally buy a fireball. And we have a tier 2. So, let me just build up quickly. Whoa, I can build up with blocks in the popular game that no one plays anymore, Minecraft. Let's see, what's a good spot? Okay, we can't do green. I need to wait for yellow to like bridge or something. Bro, wrong way. Bridge, please. Hold on, I need to I'm just gonna watch them die. He didn't die. Oh, no. That's a mistake to go on that bridge. Dang it! I should have threw it like ahead of time. Well, here's how you don't take fall damage. Or, I took some fall damage, but honestly, do we care about the tiny bit of fall damage that I just took? Ching ching. Alright. Where are my fireballs? There we go. Oh gosh, there they are. Die, please. No! Oh, well, I wasn't trying to win anyway, so yeah, back to lobby. Oh my gosh, yeah, these guys. Oh, I just got the best idea. I should die and then teleport my entire team back to lobby when they get like so close to winning or something. That would be so much fun. All right, let's go into another match. Oh no, our teammate has the winning smile. This sucks. I'm gonna get infected by the winning smile. Great. Okay, what do we do? We're going to troll this guy. No, we need to save up for some materials. We obviously need to break the bed defense he puts down, if he even puts down a bed defense. We need to make sure that we lose, okay? So I'm just not gonna put down a bed defense. I'm just gonna like camp the iron gen. Let's see what he got. Go cyan. I'm just gonna try and like team with cyan or something like that. Oh, there's one person on pink. Jeez, people are already dying. Hi! Cyan is cool. Watch this. Watch this. Yeah. No chance of winning, nerd. No chance of winning. Yeah, you're not gonna get that third win of yours. Okay, I know I'm kind of bullying right now, but like, hey, it's called trolling, my guy. Plus, it's how you get a lot of views. So this video just gets 0 views. Okay, by the way, this character is called FBI Open the Pool. If in case you did not know, I know so like someone's just going to like say that's the kit like after the video is over. Okay. Yeah, so if you're watching this far in the video, make sure to subscribe. If you want to subscribe while watching the video, make sure to check out the card in the bottom right corner so you can subscribe while keeping. I cannot do English today. English is my way of saying English. You know what I mean. Hopefully you do. I don't know. FBI open the pool. FBI open the pool. That should totally just be a meme. It's like they're like FBI open the pool. And then Henry Stickmin distraction dance. That would be kind of funny. Okay, I'd like that meme. Henry Stickmin. No, this is not the distraction dance at all. But like, it's an emote, so why not? Teleport already. I have this problem so much in Bedwars. It takes me so long to teleport sometimes. Teleport. Teleport. My FBI person is getting zapped. Actually, please teleport. Fine. I'll leave the match and try again, and then just get teleported to one. Teleport. Oh. Oh. Hopefully, our game doesn't break. Nice. Alright, who do we got paired up with? Imagine we're the only person on our team. That would just be so epic. Where are we? Oh, we're paired up with Monkey. I approve. I approve of this Monkey. We're starting in quite some time. Wait, what the heck? How do you even get the accessory? What is that accessory? How do I think that's a promo code? Accessory. Okay, I can't talk. Broken ice horns. Broken, still cool. A card from... Dude, if you redeemed a Roblox card, then why don't you have any Robux accessory? Oh, yeah, besides that, he probably just redeemed a $1 Robux gift card and just spent it on, like, no, an 80 Robux t-shirt. He was like, oh my gosh, that t-shirt is so sick. I need to spend all my Robux on that. By the way, if you're watching this, I'm really sorry, Monkey, but, like, just why? Oh, hold on, let me, I want to do this when he's, like, gone. It's like, wow, I'm mining things like Minecraft. This is so cool. Woohoo, I got blocks. I'm just not going to say anything. Dude, talk, please. Please, don't tell me your dad doesn't allow you to chat. He's just wasting his blocks. Sure, waste your blocks, my guy. I don't care. I'm just gonna have this dude waste his blocks. Dude, stop. Actually, I'm just trying to break this second block. Let me do that. Yeah, thank you. Dude, this guy's just wasting his blocks at this point. Yeah, give up, bro. Give up. He's probably gonna, like, shoot above me or, like, shoot a fireball, but, like, that's not gonna help. Alright, what are you gonna do to me? What are you gonna do to me? What? I should probably be doing this on alt account so I don't get, like, kicked or something. Oh, I see green space. This is, like, the perfect opportunity for, like, me to, like, kill them right now, but, like, I wouldn't really do that. I'm gonna act as if... Oh, I had the best idea. Let's rush. I have a good idea how I'm gonna control this person. I'm gonna pretend to speed bridge and have him, like, run after me, and then I'm gonna, like, end the bridge early. So I'm gonna, like, slowly speed bridge. Is he following? Bro, stop breaking our bed defense. I'm not. I'm mining it. I'm not breaking it. I'm mining it. What the heck? I'm not breaking your bed defense, bro. I'm mining it. Yeah, kill us, please. And now back to lobby, even though you're probably so dead. Yeah, you are. yeah, so, oh gosh, my video is almost over because I can only record for 15 minutes without the video automatically stopping. So, yeah, bye!